Hello everyone, this is Vijay Kumar, Math faculty. Heartily welcome to my channel, Vedic Brilliant Math Educator. Already we started a new program, Learn with Smart Way. It is the way how to get 10 by 10 in the board examination. Follow regularly and achieve your goal. Coordinate geometry, one of the most important long answer type problem. Find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. Let us see what is given in this problem. Find the coordinates of the points trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3 is given. So what is trisection? What is trisectional points? What is trisectional point means the points which divides the line segment it into three equal parts are called trisectional points. For example, you can take here one line segment. This is line segment. This is the AB line segment. So on the AB you can divide it, this line segment you can divide to three equal parts you have to divide. So how many points we can divide? Three equal parts. That 2 points we can divide three equal parts. One point is P, one more point is Q. So this point P, how it is dividing? So AP is 1 unit, PQ is 1 unit, QB is one more unit. So this point P, how it is dividing means here 1 ratio, here to here 1, here to here 1. So AP is to PB, it divides 1:2. And here this point Q, it divides. So from AQ is to QB. So AQ it is 2 units and this is the 1 unit. Means that ratio we can take 2:1. So now let us see the solution. The given points A of 4, -1 and B of -2, -3 I am taking. Let P and Q be the points of trisection of the line segment AB. So on the line segment AB, that is the trisectional points. The trisectional points means AP and PQ and QB all are equal ratio. It will be all are equal distance, means equally it is dividing. AP equal, PQ equal, QB. Now you can take this point. How it is dividing? You can take P of x, y divides P of x, y divides A of the line segment A of 4, -1 and B of -2, -3 internally in the ratio. So which ratio it is dividing? 1:2. Here to here 1 unit and here to this PB it will be 2 units, 1:2. So we know the bisection formula. Bisection formula. So what is section formula? P of x, y equal m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. Here m1 and m2 are the ratios. So this m1, 1 is m1, 2 is m2. So here this A coordinates we can take x1, y1, B coordinates we can take x2, y2. So now we can take the P of x comma y equal m1, m1 means 1 into x2, x2 means here minus 2 plus x2, x2 means 2 into x1, x1 means 4 by 1 plus 2 that equal, sorry, here this one also we need to find m1, m1 means 1 into y2, y2 value is minus 3 plus m2, m2 means 2 into y1, y1 value is minus 1 by 1 plus 2 that equal P of x comma y equal. So with the points, this points P points we need to find. So 1 into minus 2 plus 4 2s are 8 by 1 plus 2 is 3 comma 1 into minus 3 plus into minus 2 1s are 2 by 1 plus 2 is 3 that equal P of x comma y equal, that is minus 2 plus 8 is 6 by 3 minus 2 minus 3 that is minus 5 by 3. So now we can cancel here 3 1s are 3 2s are. So that P coordinates we are getting 2 comma minus 5 by 3 we are getting. So what are the coordinates of P of x comma y? 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Same as this way, this q1 we need to find. Q coordinates we need to find. So now we can take q of x comma y divides the line segment A of 4 comma minus 1, B of minus 2 comma 3 internally in the ratio two is to 1. So A to Q we need to take, Q to B we need to take. Here to here it will be the 2 units and Q to B it is the 1 unit. So by section formula, so what is the section formula? Q of x comma y equal m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by, same as this formula only, m1 plus m2 comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. m1 means here 2 into, here A coordinates are x1 y1, B coordinates are x2 y2. m1 y2 means minus 2, sorry, m1 x2 means minus 2 plus m2 means 1 into x1 value is 4 whole by 2 plus 1. Here m1 m1 means 2 into y2 value is minus 3 plus m2 means 1 into y1 value is minus 1 whole by 2 plus 1 that equal 2 into minus 2 minus 4 plus 1 4s are 4 by 2 plus 1 is 3. 2 into minus 3 that is minus 6 plus into minus 1 1s are 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 that equal 4 minus 4 that value is 0 by 3 comma minus 6 minus 1 that is minus 7 by 3. So 0 by 3 value we are getting 0 minus 7 by 3. So what are the coordinates of Q? So we got the coordinates of Q is 0 comma minus 7 by 3 and the coordinates of P is 2 comma minus 5 by 3. Dear students and viewers who need this video, please share. It will helpful for others also. Suggest them to subscribe the channel. I hope like these problems are very clear for you. Practice well and we will meet in the next video. Don't forget like and comment. Don't forget subscribe the channel. This is Vijay Kumar signing out. Thank you very much.